Good morning, happy homeowners. Monday morning down here in beautiful San Clemente, just beautiful. Hey, we got a different one for you today. So when they first put it in, this is pretty much what it looked like. Right here. This had the oil finish on it, which in the beginning I was a fan, but you can see this, it's just not a lot of protection when you're using the oil. Where the wood has been bleached from the sun. Here's what it used to look like, really dark. Try bleaching it with the wood bleach to hopefully get it back closer to the natural oak. So stick around, let's see what we end up with. It's going to be interesting. Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, San Clemente, California. OnlyWoodFloors. Hey, we didn't do a video here yesterday. We just sanding, getting it ready. We prepped it. We thoroughly been sanded and prepped and ready for the staining. It's going to end up being grayish like that. And what we're going to do, look at that, that is pretty. What we're going to end up doing is, instead of doing a clear finish over the top, we're going to use that Loba Invisible.
Good morning, Facebook. It's the last day of this, so we've already gotten 2 coats on this floor. Take a look. So much lighter than what it originally was. Everything looks so much lighter, brighter. Homeowner is super happy. Actually, I think we was able to lift it off without having to change the wood. All right, so we're gonna put that last coat on and then we'll be done with this. So it looks beautiful, big difference. Customer's super happy. So everybody have a great day.